Hi guys, so moving on to this very important question. Let's see how we're gonna proceed and how we'll solve this. It's very important, let me tell you guys. Before understanding this, it's better to go and watch my 1D, 2D, 3D and 4D, 5D array session, because that would be very handy in order to solve all the pointer based questions. Okay, so now let's move on to this question. Now first we have declared a 2D array of 2 and 3. So let's write down these elements: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So this is your number of two-dimensional array. If this is your m and this is your n, then this m is your number of 1D array and this n is your number of elements in each 1D array. So I can say that in this 2D array I have two 1D array and each 1D consists of how many elements? 3 elements. Fine. So this is my 0th 1D array and this is my first 1D array. Fine. Now let's suppose the base address starts from 100 and this is 104, 108, 112, 116 and suppose 120. Fine. Now if somebody asks you that what is the value of array, so you will say that array is nothing but this array is the base address of your complete 0th 1D, right? This array is the base address of 0th 1D and the base address of 0th 1D starts from 100, right? Now before solving this, let me just clear basic concepts regarding 2D array. Now if I write star ARRAY, then it means that the base address of the 0th element of 0th 1D. So this is again 100. So this is your ARRAY, this is your star ARRAY and this is nothing but the value at the base address of the 0th element of 0th 1D. Therefore the value is 5. Fine. So this one is your star array. Right. Now what I have done here in the next line, int star ptr. So I have declared a pointer ptr. This pointer ptr is a pointer to your 2D array. Right, ptr is a pointer to your 2D array and it is containing what? Address of array. Now this thing is very important. So what is array? What is star array? What is star array? Now if I write ARRAY plus 1, right? So what is array? Array is nothing but the base address of the 0th 1D and the base address of 0th 1D, it is containing how many elements? It is containing 3 elements, right? So when you write array plus 1, you move to the base address of the first 1D and the base address of the first 1D starts from 112. So this is 112. And if I write star array plus 1, so the star array's base address of the 0th element, when you write plus 1, you move to the base address of next element, which is 104. And if you write star array plus 1, so the star array means the value, which is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Fine. So what you are writing here is address of array plus 1. Now if I write address of array means what? Address of array means this complete 2D array. This complete 2D array is stored at some location. For example, I am just talking about this complete 2D array and this array is stored at location, let's suppose 1000. So this 1000 is your address of array, right? So if somebody says you array means the base address of the 0th 1D. But when you talk about the complete 2D array, then you have to write the address of this array. And if you write address of array plus 1, then what is the value? Address of array plus 1 means your complete 2D array. Plus 1 means your next 2D array, and the address of next 2D array should start from 124. So the value of this is 124. Now in this case, my ptr is a pointer pointing to the 2D array and it is containing what? Address of array. So this, let's suppose that this complete two-dimensional array is stored at address 1000. So this ptr, which is my pointer, is pointing to this 1000. This should be very clear. बहुत important है यार. Address of array मतलब वो पूरा का पूरा 2D array जहाँ पे stored है, मैं उस address की बात कर रहा हूँ. और जब सिर्फ array आता है मैं 1D की बात करता हूँ. जब star of array आता है मैं element के address की बात कर रहा हूँ. तो इस पॉइंटर के अंदर इस कंप्लीट एरे का एड्रेस स्टोर्ड है, जहां पे वो पूरी 2D एरे स्टोर्ड है। तो मान लो वो 2D एरे स्टोर्ड है एड्रेस 1000 पे, ठीक है। तो ये है मेरा पीटीआर की वैल्यू है मेरी 1000। नाउ व्हाट इज स्टार पीटीआर? इस स्टार के ऊपर वैल्यू क्या, इस 1000 के ऊपर वैल्यू क्या, इस 1000 के ऊपर क्या है, तुम्हारा एरे है, ठीक है। And this array is nothing but it is the base address of your 0th 1D. So if you write, suppose if you write ptr, then it means base address of 2D array, right? And if you put a star, it means base address of 0th 1D array of 2D array, right? So if you put one more star, it means base address of what? 0th element of 0th 1D array. Fine. And if you put one more star, it means value, right? So that's why there are 3 stars here, right? So this is clear. I hope you are getting the things. And address of array means the complete 2D array stored, and your PTR is pointing at that address location. So when you write a star, star means you move to the base address of your 0th 1D. If you put a one more star, you move to the base address of the 0th element, and when you put one more star, you reach to the element. Therefore value is 5, right? Now PTR plus 1, see your PTR is containing entire your 2D array, but when you say plus 1 means you move to the next 2D array. And when you write star star star, so it's star star star, this value is unknown. This is what? This is your 1D address. This is what? This is your element address, and this is what? This is your element, but you do not know what element is here, so it is nothing but it is your garbage value. So PTR is pointing to what? The complete address location where your 2D array is stored. So when you write plus 1, you move to the next 2D array, but you don't know what is the element there because you are not assigned that. Now, so this will be garbage value. Now moving on to the next, it is, see, PTR star. PTR initially was pointing at 1000, right? So 1000 star is what? Your base address of 0th 1D. So this thing is nothing but it is the base address of 0th 1D. Fine. When you say plus 1, it means you move to the base address of first 1D. Fine. Now when you put one more star, it means you move to the base address of the 0th element of first 1D. So you move to 112, then plus 2 means plus 1, plus 2 you move to the base address 120, and star of 120 is 30. So answer is 30. Right, the most important concept is this. What do you mean by address of ARR1? Address of ARR1 means where your complete 2D array is stored, right? So when you write PTR plus 1, तो PTR point किसको कर रहा है? PTR इस पूरी 2D array को point कर रहा है जिसमें 6 एलिमेंट है। तो तुम plus 1 करोगे तो 24 साइज का जंप होके नेक्स्ट पे आ जाएगा, 124 पे आएगा, और 124 के ऊपर की वैल्यू तुम्हें पता ही नहीं, तो दिस विल बी अ गार्बेज वैल्यू. Now when you write PTR star means base address of the 0th 1D. When you say plus 1, you move the base address of the first 1D. When you put one more star, you move the base address of the 0th element. Plus 2 means 120 and star of 120 is 30. Right? So it was very, very important here. I think it was asked in GATE or maybe in ISRO exam. So please make a note of this one. Right? Thank you guys. Take care. Bye.